Here's how you can hide your online status on Instagram so others can't see when you're active. So go ahead, open your Instagram application on your mobile device, log into your account, and then tap on your profile picture icon in the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on the three lines in the top right corner of the screen. From this settings page, tap on the search bar in the top of the screen and search for activity status. Once you find your show activity status option, tap on that, and you can toggle this option off in order to turn your active status off. Now your followers and people you message won't be able to see when you're online. This is a great way to browse privately and avoid interruptions. But at the same time, you won't be able to view other people's active status as well. You will no longer know if they're active on Instagram or not, and vice versa. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.